Hey everybody, welcome to Refinishers Academy, presented by Refinished Bath Solutions. Today we're going to talk about how to recast your bathtub with our flagship product, Ekopel 2K Pour-On Tub Liner. With Ekopel, this is going to be the box that you've received. On the side of the box, it's actually going to help you out with some of the added tools and materials that you need to complete the process. Other products that you're going to need is going to be masking tape, paper, a paint mixing stick. All of these things you can get right from Home Depot, Lowe's, any hardware store, but I recommend using like 12-inch masking paper and like 1-inch masking tape. Without further ado, let me get into the actual process and show you how to mix this stuff, how to mask everything off, and we'll go from there. Step one, clean the tub very deeply, scrub everything down, make sure there's no soap, scum, peeling paint, anything like that. The tub was previously done. You're gonna wanna sand down the edges nice and smooth. So we're gonna tape the drains, we're gonna tape the floor, and we're gonna tape the outside edges of the tub before we use them. From there, you're gonna mix up the material. So mixing Ekopel, 10 minutes mix time, thoroughly by hand. You wanna give the part B a quick shake, just to get any settled material mixed in. And then we'll open the part B. And we're gonna pour the entire contents directly into the part A. So this is gonna be liquid, the other portion is gonna be very solid. Make sure you give it a quick shake while it's upside down, get all the remaining material out of there. Set a timer, look at the clock, make sure you do that. Then from there, you need to give it 5 to 10 minutes of rest time. We call this induction time. It allows the chain reaction of the epoxy to continue. So you're gonna let that induct for 5 to 10 minutes. And then after that, you're gonna give it 1 minute of final mix. From there, just go ahead and pour it. Right now we're going to want to take our foam roller and we're going to put a medium pressure on the top edge. This is going to push all this excess into the basin of the tub. See all this excess that comes off? This would stay up here and then leave a drip later. Pull it away from the corners with a medium pressure and you can push it right down the sidewall here. You just sit here and wait, it will all eventually run down, but by moving a little bit more quickly, you can get everything coated properly. So the fry scooper, it works to scoop the material and pour it back in the can. I think it's a lot faster and more efficient with the box edge, so that's the way I'm going to show you how to do it. But take the can, hold it in your hand, and then push all of this excess. Sometimes you can scoop enough, sometimes you got to do it a couple times for the outside wall. Last step that we need to do before finalizing everything is just go around and pop any little air bubbles with the heat gun or a blow dryer. All right, thanks for watching. So that's how you recast a tub with Ekopel 2K. After 24 hours, the only remaining steps would be to install your drain cover and or the rest of your drain hardware. Appreciate you watching. If you have any further questions about the process, feel free to write into our chat. We do have a help page on the website, and we've also got live chat operators 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, here to help if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.